In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google search ads with the new Google Ads user interface update for 2025. With this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to seamlessly set up your very own Google search ads campaign. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this by visiting ads.google.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the sign in button. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials on hand. After successfully signing in, you'll be redirected to the Google Ads home. It's the central hub for managing your advertising campaigns. To get started with creating a new ad, you'll need to look for the campaign option. It's usually located in the menu on the left but can vary slightly depending on the view settings. Click on campaign to proceed. The page will now show you the campaign overview and management tools. To initiate a new campaign, find and click on the New Campaign button. This will open up several options for campaign types and objectives. Our focus today is on driving sales, so from the selection, choose the Sales option. It's tailored to help you attract interested customers and boost purchase rates for your products and services. Now that you've selected Sales, you should see the Continue button at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll then be prompted to select the type of campaign you want to run. Here you'll choose Search. Search ads are perfect for capturing user intent as they display alongside search results on the Google network. This can be especially effective for reaching users who are actively searching for terms relevant to your business. Remember, taking your time to explore the options and settings available at each stage is key. Google provides a variety of customization features that can help you optimize your campaign to align with your specific marketing goals. Don't hesitate to explore and use these tools to your advantage. As the process unfolds, you'll have the opportunity to refine your ad settings, such as targeting options and budget limits. These components are essential for maximizing the effectiveness of your ads and ensuring you reach the right audience within your financial parameters. And there you have it, your basic setup to creating a Google Search Ads campaign with the latest interface update. With these simple steps, you're on your way to connecting with more potential customers and driving meaningful traffic to your business. Thanks for joining me today, and happy advertising.